This is Mom. Let's see. Michael there? Or is Chanuki there? Chanuki? Michael. On Saturday, tomorrow we're going to be out to sea. Oh, I'm able to call you. So, let's see. On Saturday, when you come to pick us up, try to be up by 10 o'clock in the morning, because that's the estimated time. Anywhere between 10 and 12, we will probably be home Saturday morning. So if you